Today unboxing is on the Retired Tomica Limited Vintage Hino Shell tanker truck. This casting is highly popular among collectors, and I'm very lucky to get this casting on the Japan Boosters damaged box sales on eBay. You can see that the box flap is damaged and they label it as a damaged box, but overall the casting is still okay. I'm also going to unbox the Tomica N-scale model from TomyTec. I don't really collect N-scale, but I got them because I think it pairs well with the TLV. Although they come in the scale of 1:50, the details are awesome. And now let's take a closer look at the Tomica Limited Vintage Hino Shell tanker truck. You can see I wrapped the tanker truck in the tissue. I did this years ago to protect the paint from bubbling, and thankfully so far there's no issue with the paint. The Hino tanker truck looks marvelous. I really love the deco with shell livery. On close up you can see the danger sign beside the truck plate. The wheel set looks interesting for the typical Hino truck, and apart from the truck head that's made of die-cast, the rest of the casting are made of plastic. Details wise is fantastic. I consider all the Hino trucks the king of TLV in terms of details, and even the interior looks equally good. And overall this Shell Hino trucks is considered among my most prized collection. Next is the N-scale model in 1:150 scale. You can see just like TLV, you have to mount some of the parts yourself. The instructions are at the back of the box. Unlike the TLV, the whole truck is made of plastic. There's no die-cast part for the N-scale. Although the whole casting is very light because it's in plastic, it's highly detailed. And in terms of details, it doesn't lose out to the 1/64 scale from TLV. They are pretty much comparable. This UD truck from N-scale makes a great pair with the TLV, although they come in different scale. Next is the Fuso truck from N-scale, also in 1:150 scale. You can see through to TomyTec, the details are superb, and it doesn't pale in comparison against the TLV. Although all are made of plastic, the long tanker is equally impressive. Overall, the N-scale and TLV packs a bunch of details, and despite their scale difference, they pair well and will look equally impressive in model cars photography. More videos coming, and remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!